Alright, so in our last video, we set it up so whenever we hit the space bar, we get a new blueprint. But if I want, let's say, 100 of these blueprints, it's going to be really frustrating to have to hit a space bar 100 times. It would be much easier to do this programmatically. And again, we're going to go back to the level blueprint. So instead of one space bar, one blueprint, I want to hit the space bar once and let's say get 20 of these blueprints. And something that's really helpful for that is a for loop. So we're going to bring in a for loop. And let's go to 20. And so every time we iterate in this loop, so from 0 to 20, so 20 times, we're going to spawn this blueprint actor. So one spacebar hit, 20 blueprints. Let's try it. Great. And I have 20 blueprints, all in different locations on my scene. So it's important to point out they're all going to get different locations. So every time this gets triggered, each of those 20 times this gets triggered, it's going to pull a different random value from these two nodes. So each time this gets hit, it's going to look for a random value here and a random value here. And that's why I don't have a bunch of blueprints all sitting on top of each other. I have them spread out throughout the scene, and they all maintain the same functionality as our original blueprint, where they're all rotating slowly on the y-axis. And of course, if we don't want to hit the space bar at all, we could also do this on event begin play. And so as soon as I hit the play button, I'm going to get 20 of these blueprints. So I'll hit save, I'm going to hit play, and there we go. 20 of these blueprints randomly distributed throughout my world. And that's how for loops can make our life a lot easier.